Y'all, I am riding the back of the dragon.
Hold up.
And this is where my journey to 10,000 miles began. Good morning, roadies. So it is currently 6:30 in the morning, and this is the journey to 10,000 miles. So currently, I don't know how much mileage I have, so I'm about to check right now. And we're back. So this is my journey to 10,000 miles. As you just saw, I have about 8,000 or so miles on my bike, and I have set a goal for myself to get to 10,000 miles by the end of the year. So I think that's an attainable goal, and I'm about to get started right now with this trip. So I am heading to the back of the dragon in Tazewell, Virginia, and what you're viewing right now, I was riding in probably about 55 degree weather. I was freezing. Okay, I could not feel my hands, couldn't feel my toes. Well, I could feel my toes, but I was struggling. Okay, and mind you, I had a lot of layers under that jacket. So here's my ride, and y'all are gonna see all the challenges I had with trying to capture my moments. But either way, that's what comes with this vlogging. So enjoy. So I'm at a rest stop, just to rest because my hands are freezing and I can't feel anything. And I was going to put my camera on my helmet so I could get like the views of, the mountains and stuff, because I'm in Charlottesville right now, which is beautiful in this time of year. But tell me why my camera is dead. So I'm gonna have to switch my plans up. I'm gonna have to go to the hotel first to charge my camera, and then hit where am I going? I can't even think straight. I'm so mad my camera is dead. The back of the dragon. So I'm gonna do that, and then worst case scenario, I just charge my camera up today and then ride the dragon tomorrow and then just come straight home. Either way, I'm gonna get it recorded, okay? I didn't come all this way for nothing. But let it go. So I'm riding, and then I remembered. Okay, yeah, so I suffer from something called one-track mind. And earlier I said that my camera was dead, but then I realized I have a power bank and I have a charger. So I can be charging my camera while I'm riding, and then by the time I get there, we'll be good. So we'll see if this works out, and if it does, great. If not, I'll just go with plan B, which is to stop to the hotel first, charge up, and then go to the back of the dragon. So let's see what happens. Hey! So I made it to the hotel, and I'm in the process of finding my room now. And then I'm gonna go back to figure out this camera situation. And here we are. Here's my room. Alright, let's see here. Oh no. There we go. Alright now. Okay. Decent room. I made it. I will check in whenever I move to the next place. So. back of the Dragon. I haven't actually ridden the road yet though, so I guess I shouldn't take a picture until I do that, but whatever. This was the part of the route that I started to recognize from the number of YouTube videos that I had watched before I went on this trip. So I started to get really excited because I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm here. I've seen this on so many YouTube videos. But this is also where the curve started. And these curves gave me little to no anxiety. But little did I know, in about a mile or two, I would have a death grip on those handlebars because those curves, oh my gosh. Whew. Y'all, I am riding the back of the Dragon. Alright, so I'm at my first overlook, and y'all look. Ah! I'm so excited. Oh, I hope that car didn't think I was dying. I just screamed. But y'all, look at this view. Oh, y'all can't see nothing. Look at that view. I'm not even done yet. This is just the first overlook. So I'm starting to get a little teary-eyed once I hit like this part where you could like see everything, because I'm just like, man, I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, I'm about to keep going up, and I'll check in if there's another overlook. I think they said there's 2 of them, so we'll see. So luckily for me, going south on the back of the Dragon, there were no vehicles around me. There was none in front. There was no one behind me. So I was free to kind of just focus on the road and not have to focus on any distractions, which was really nice. At this point in the ride, this is when the heavy curves, the deep curves started to happen. And you can see, if you look at my eyes, I was like looking through my curves the entire time. I was like repeating to myself, look through your curves, look through your curves. It was a mantra at this point. And I realized after a few minutes that I wasn't even breathing. Like, I was holding my breath for long periods of time, and I had a death grip on the bars. At some point, you're going to see me like release off and kind of shake it off and have like a come to Jesus moment, because I had to realize, you gotta breathe, girl. You gotta breathe. Another camera debacle. I thought that my helmet camera was actually recording the entire time, but it wasn't. And obviously I wasn't about to stop and check. It wasn't that important to me. But I'm glad that I had my phone camera on my mount to just record my reaction, because looking at how focused I was, it's like, it's crazy. But the good thing is you can kind of see the reflection of the road in my helmet. If you focus on like the lower part of the helmet, you can see the curves I was going through. So yeah, back of the dragon. I did that. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that right about now, it's probably time for a celebratory dance.